Hi everybody, today we're going to learn how to process a superannuation payment on Xero. So your accountant at iCountBeans will send you an email that looks something like this, letting you know that your super is ready to be processed. It'll also typically have a report attached, which is your superannuation accruals report for you to read through. You'll also receive a text message with a unique code that you'll need later. But once you've received this email from your accountant, that should prompt you to log into Xero. So from here, you'd log in and then you click up the top to payroll and then onto superannuation, which will take you to this page. You then want to find the entry that's sitting at pending approval and click on that. You then want to scroll down to the bottom and click approve. It will then ask you for that unique code that was texted to you earlier. So you'd enter that in and hit approve again. The money will then be direct debited within 2 days out of your bank account and into your employee's selected superannuation fund. But that's it. That's how you process a superannuation payment in Xero. Thanks for watching.